Today we are going to talk about physical literacy and physical fitness monitoring.
I was thinking, how can students' physical literacy be improved through fitness monitoring?
This can be achieved by incorporating physical fitness measurements into learning process that offers meaningful and enjoyable experiences to students. During this dynamic learning process, teachers should first empower students to be responsible for their own learning and progress. And second, support students in building motivation, self-efficacy and self-confidence in participation in physical activity. During the learning process, by including fitness monitoring, teachers can foster their students' lifelong commitment to physical activity, overall well-being, and personal growth.
Well, this sounds great. But how should a teacher accomplish all that?
You don't have to worry. I will explain. The learning process follows a cyclic structure and includes several steps. 1. Acquisition of knowledge and understanding of the importance of physical fitness. 2. Development of skills related to the testing of different physical fitness components. 3. Assessment of physical fitness, recognition of own strengths and weaknesses, and identification of areas for improvement. 4. Use of self-monitoring to track progress. 5. Reassessment of physical fitness, and identification of barriers to improvement. 6. Setting new physical fitness goals or adapting previous goals to further improvements.
Thanks for the great explanation. I was thinking, how can a teacher in the process that you just described foster the physical literacy of students?
You are welcome. I am glad to help. During this process, teachers can foster students' physical literacy by the following. 1. Explaining the rationale behind learning activities. 2. Recognizing and appreciating students' uniqueness. 3. Acknowledging and welcoming students' feelings, even when these are negative. 4. Respecting students' learning times and not pressuring them. 5. Providing informative personalized feedback to encourage students to make progress. 6. Celebrating students' efforts and achievements.
Thanks again. I find your advice very helpful. I will try to acknowledge all the information and will do my best to foster my students' physical literacy and not only their fitness.
You are very welcome. Considering your curiosity, I believe you will do the best for your students to foster their physical literacy.